UT fans hunting for eggs at Scott Park. The Rocket baseball team hunting for a win against Kent State dropped the opener 10-6 Friday. Spotted them a 4 spot through 5.5 today. Not so fast. Bottom 6, 𝗦𝗫cije gets 2 back. It's 4-2. Later in the inning, down just 1. 2 on, 2 off. Caden Konzak lines into center, part of a 5-run frame. Now, Kent State hangs 3 on the board in the 7th, but leave it to Caden Root to get the lead right back for good. A walk-off in a left, 8-7. Can't run all the way home. They still have to play another. The bar's set pretty high for Game 2, isn't it? Count on this guy to deliver from the get-go. Freshman out of Anthony Wayne, 𝗦𝗽liche got a man on third in the bottom of the first, hitting just under 300. This will get him there, actually. Opposite field single, 1-0 Rockets. Plenty more excitement coming down the pike. How about more from 𝗦𝗫cije? UT up 2, better make it 3. Solo shot into the lumber yard, 3 zip in the 6th. Kent State puts 4 on the board in a flash, all in the top of the 7th, so there's some work to do in the bottom of the 9th. Call on 𝗦𝗫liche again. Wild pitch, he's heading home, and we're tied. Rockets leave him loaded in that inning, but hey, that just brings Pike up again in the 10th. You sense a theme here? Man on second, not anymore. Pike delivers. 5-4 Rockets in 10, a double dose of walk-offs to get him back to 500 in MAC play.
Pike's been sensational. I mean, he had a great day today. 𝗦𝗫cije hit the double right before him. So many good at-bats, though, throughout the day there late to put us in a position to win. My message was going to be the same regardless of whether we won tonight or not. A 4-round heavyweight battle. They won round 1. Our job is to win round 2 and 3. And then I just told them right now we go for the knockout punch tomorrow.